My brothers and sisters, have you ever felt tired without a reason, surrounded by people, yet your heart still feels empty? You pray, you work, you try to stay strong, but deep inside, something feels heavy. Most people think the solution is money, success, relationships, or entertainment. But there is a hidden secret that many people ignore. A simple phrase, so small on the tongue, yet so powerful that it can completely change a person's life. That phrase is Astaghfirullah. The hidden power of istighfar is something nobody talks about enough. People know it means asking Allah for forgiveness, but very few understand what it truly does to the heart, mind and soul. Sometimes we think istighfar is only for people who commit major sins. But the truth is, every human being needs it every single day. Even the Prophet Muhammad, who was free from sin, used to seek forgiveness from Allah constantly. Imagine that. The best human being to ever walk this earth still made istighfar daily. So what about us? Today, many people are silently suffering. Anxiety is increasing. Depression is increasing. Hearts are becoming restless. People smile in public but cry in private. And in the middle of all this chaos, many have forgotten one of the greatest cures Allah has given us. Istighfar. A simple astaghfirullah can change your life in ways you never expected. There are people who started making istighfar regularly, and suddenly their hearts became lighter. Their stress slowly disappeared. Their problems became easier to handle. Their homes became peaceful. Opportunities opened. Their relationship with Allah became stronger. Why? Because istighfar brings peace to the heart. There is something powerful about turning back to Allah. When a person sincerely says Astaghfirullah, they are admitting their weakness before their Creator. And strangely, that honesty brings comfort. The heart was never meant to carry the burden of sins alone. Every mistake leaves darkness on the soul. Every sin creates distance between us and Allah. And sometimes the sadness we feel is not because of this world, but because our hearts are spiritually exhausted. Istighfar cleans that darkness. Imagine your heart like a mirror. Every sin adds dust to it. Slowly that mirror loses its shine. You stop feeling peace. You stop enjoying worship. You feel disconnected. But istighfar wipes that mirror clean again. And this is something people rarely understand. Many are searching for peace in music, scrolling, entertainment or distractions. But true peace comes when the soul reconnects with Allah. Astaghfirullah. One sincere moment of forgiveness can calm a storm inside your chest. Istighfar also helps remove sins and mistakes. Every human being makes mistakes. Nobody is perfect. We all say things we regret. We all hurt others knowingly or unknowingly. We all have moments we wish we could erase. Sometimes those memories follow us for years. Shaitan keeps reminding us of our past, making us feel hopeless. But Allah is Al-Ghafur, the most forgiving. No matter how many times a person falls, Allah's mercy is always greater. Think about that. The Creator of the heavens and the earth is waiting for you to simply turn back and say, Ya Allah, forgive me. Many people believe their sins are too big. They think they are too far gone. But that is exactly what Shaitan wants you to believe. The moment a person loses hope in Allah's mercy, they stop trying to return. Istighfar destroys hopelessness. It reminds you that Allah's door is always open. You may have spent years away from Allah. You may have made mistakes nobody knows about. You may carry guilt in your heart every day. But one sincere tear, one sincere astaghfirullah can begin changing everything. Allah loves those who make istighfar often. Think about how beautiful that is. The King of all kings loves when his servant admits their weakness and returns to him. Human beings may judge you for your mistakes. People may never let you forget your past. But Allah is different. Allah loves repentance. Not only does He forgive, but He loves the one asking for forgiveness. This changes everything. You don't need to be perfect before turning to Allah. You turn to Allah so He can help you become better. That is the beauty of istighfar. And the more a person makes istighfar, the softer their heart becomes. Pride slowly disappears. Arrogance fades away. The heart becomes humble, gentle, and connected to Allah. Istighfar increases blessings in life. Many people are working day and night chasing success, but they forget where true blessings come from. A person may have money but no peace. They may have a beautiful house but constant arguments. They may have fame but feel empty inside. Real blessings are not just about having more. Barakah means Allah puts goodness and peace in what you already have. And istighfar brings barakah. Sometimes your problems are not because you lack effort. Sometimes blessings are blocked because sins have become heavy on the heart. When you make istighfar sincerely, Allah opens doors you never imagined. Suddenly your time becomes productive. Your relationships improve. Your home feels peaceful. Your heart feels satisfied. Not because life became perfect, but because Allah placed barakah in it. Istighfar can also open doors of rizq. This is something many people ignore. People worry constantly about money, jobs, and the future. They feel trapped. They overthink day and night. But Allah has already given us a powerful key: istighfar. There are stories of people drowning in debt who started making istighfar consistently and saw their situations completely change. Opportunities appeared from unexpected places. Their struggles became easier. This does not mean life becomes magical overnight. But Allah opens doors for the one who constantly turns back to Him. Sometimes rizq is not just money. Rizq can be health. Rizq can be peace. Rizq can be a good spouse. Rizq can be loyal friends. Rizq can be protection from harm. Rizq can even be a peaceful heart. And istighfar attracts blessings into every part of life. Istighfar also reduces stress and worries. Look at the world today. Everyone is stressed. Everyone is anxious. People are mentally exhausted. Their minds never rest. Even at night, their thoughts keep running. But when a person constantly says astaghfirullah, something incredible happens. Their heart slowly relaxes, because deep inside, the soul knows it is returning to Allah. Istighfar reminds you that Allah is in control. It reminds you that your problems are not bigger than Allah's mercy. It reminds you that every hardship has a purpose. The more you remember Allah, the less power fear has over you. People spend years searching for peace while ignoring the simplest solution sitting on their tongue: astaghfirullah. Even quietly repeating it while driving, walking, cooking, or lying in bed can slowly transform your inner state. Istighfar brings a person closer to Allah. And honestly, what is greater than that? This dunya is temporary. One day every problem will end. Every success will end. Every possession will disappear. But your relationship with Allah is eternal. Many people feel distant from Allah because they stopped talking to Him. They stopped remembering Him. Their hearts became busy with dunya. Istighfar rebuilds that connection. Every astaghfirullah is like knocking on Allah's door again. And Allah never gets tired of His servant returning. That is what makes this so beautiful. No matter how broken you feel, Allah still listens. No matter how lost you are, Allah still guides. No matter how sinful you think you are, Allah's mercy is still greater. Regular istighfar also gives inner strength. Life is hard. Everyone is fighting battles nobody sees. Some people are struggling financially. Some are emotionally broken. Some are dealing with loneliness. Some are carrying silent pain for years. But istighfar gives strength to keep going. Not fake strength. Real inner strength. The kind that helps you survive difficult nights. The kind that helps you stay patient during hardships. The kind that keeps your heart alive even when life becomes heavy. People think strength only comes from motivation or confidence. But true strength comes from connection with Allah. And istighfar strengthens that connection. It reminds you that you are never alone. Allah is always near. Istighfar also helps during difficult times and hardships. Sometimes Allah tests us so we return back to Him. Pain has a way of waking up the heart. During hardships, many people realize how much they need Allah. And often, the thing that brings relief is not complaining to the world, but crying to Allah. There are people who found Allah in their darkest moments. When everyone left them, when life became unbearable, when they had nobody else, they turned to Allah with istighfar, and slowly healing began. Not because the hardship disappeared instantly, but because Allah gave peace and strength through it. That is the hidden power people rarely talk about. Istighfar changes the inside before it changes the outside. And when the inside changes, life starts changing too. Imagine waking up every morning and starting your day with istighfar. Imagine your tongue constantly remembering Allah instead of constantly worrying. Imagine replacing negative thoughts with astaghfirullah. Little by little, your heart becomes softer. Your anger decreases. Your anxiety decreases. Your connection with Allah grows stronger. Your life gains peace. And the best part, it costs nothing. No special place is needed. No money is needed. No complicated process is needed. Just your heart and sincerity. Even if your voice shakes, even if tears fall, even if you feel broken, say it anyway. Astaghfirullah. Because one sincere moment can begin a completely new chapter in your life. Maybe the peace you are searching for is hidden in istighfar. Maybe the blessing you are waiting for is connected to istighfar. Maybe the closeness to Allah your heart misses begins with istighfar. And maybe, just maybe, the life-changing secret nobody talks about enough has been on your tongue this whole time. Astaghfirullah. Never underestimate the power of those words. Your heart can heal. Your soul can recover. Your life can change. And your relationship with Allah can become stronger than ever before. All through one simple phrase. Astaghfirullah.